Budget. There's over 100 million pesos budget for this year's hosting of the run. The city doesn't mind spending this much budget for as long as we know that number one, the hosting will be a success. Second, that the stakeholders in the city will benefit from this beautiful event. The mere fact that you are here, people from the different region, people from the different provinces of the region, we know that you are here and you will be spending a lot of your money in Ormoc City, no? And we know very much that sports is very important to us, to me, to the DepEd family, to our students. Why? Because sports, we are sure that the end product of this is that we will be taking out our students out of illegal drugs. Sakto? Yes. So, yes, my honey. Siguro na kayo na ni Mayor. Please, do not forget that while you are here in Ormoc City, so yan ninyo ang pinakalamig na lechon. I don't know if sa open night gabi, ang mga konsyal namin nagpadala ba ng mga lechon? Nagpadala ng mga konsyal. Pakpakan niyo ako mga konsyal, please. So thank you so much for coming to Ormoc City. This will be a week of fantastic competition. This will be a week of happy memories and happy thoughts. The winning athletes will be receiving well-designed medals, no? That was designed by Mayor Lucy and her personal designer. Thank you so much. I'm happy also to see that the LGU Ormoc created a mascot, no? Si Pini, such a beautiful mascot. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I've been a national athlete for a very long time. I'm also the Vice President of the Philippine Olympic Committee, and I am also the President of a National Sports Association. And I've been to the biggest competitions all over the world. And I can say that this year's preparation for Ormoc City is almost at par with the biggest competitions all over the Southeast Asian region. So congratulations to Ormoc City, congratulations DepEd, and most of all, congratulations to all participating athletes and officials. Nagkakain salamat, welcome to Ormoc City, welcome to EBRA 2024.